First of all, I want to say that here is a map of the Bishkek, and Royal Central Park is located in the west side of the Bishkek. I know that is a lot of the Bishkek people want to live in the southern side here. However, from the city center going through the south side of the Bishkek, it takes 30 minutes, half an hour, or sometimes even 1 hour for moving because of the traffic jam. However, from the city center going to the Royal Central Park is just only 20 minutes. So the idea of the Royal Central Park, we made it with the idea of the one step for everything that you need. So the Royal Central Park will be the home for 60,000 people. This in the center area of the Bishkek is always have a traffic jam because of everyone go to city center for coffee, for office, for working. However, if you live in Royal Central Park, you don't need to move a lot because you will have everything in Royal Central Park. Because of that reason, so Royal Central Park will be the support for the motivation of the west side of the Bishkek and reducing the pressure for the infrastructure inside of the city center.